What's up guys, welcome to another video. Hi, I am Sakyog. In this video we will creating a sign up and sign in web application. Go to Hackway project and open that. You can see always I create the videos, Chrome extension and automatic link and pop-up video, animation search, and also my game, snake game, and click on login and you can see all file. You can see the all file, the error.php and indexed and login and register. Click on login and you can see the look like this, the login page. And also I zoomed out for, you can see that. Also I add sign up. You can click that and sign up form is here, and you can already a member, you can sign in, and not yet a member, you can sign up. I am using PHP for backend, MySQL for data. I am using for PHP. You can download the local host. You can see that XAMPP as XAMPP XAMPP. Go on Chrome and search XAMPP and search that, and you can see the download link, and you can click that. And where your operating system, you use the Linux, Mac and Windows, also the all of operating system, and download that. And okay, how to connect your local host for your web application. And you can open the admin panel, and you can see always I sign in. Okay, and I always create open my project and go on my C drive where your XAMPP downloaded, XAMPP where is XAMPP downloaded, and go to C drive and you can see as XAMPP and click on XAMPP. You can find out htdocs for localhost for running your web applications, and you can see htdocs. I click that. Okay, I double click that. You can see always I am add the login. You can click that, and all information you can see. You can open the Chrome and search that localhost and localhost.login.php. you can search. You can see that this ID not reached, can be reached. Why is can be reached? Start the Apache and MySQL, and that's why your website is not be reached. And start the Apache and MySQL data on for your database. You can click on admin panel, and is loading for few times. And you can see always I am created a login sign, and click on. You can create the file. How can you create? You can you can click new and add your database name, and create. And also I am give you all code, and you can go and you can see SQL code. You can click that, and I am also give you the how can create you copy that and paste in your, and you can see the SQL and click on and add the SQL. Refresh. You can see this the PHP file is run and my local host. Okay, and you can sign in for you can not enter the username and Gmail password, and you can click that register is not username is required. All thing is required. And I am enter HACK WAY and Gmail. @gmail.com, and my password 123, and confirm password I wrong confirm password 123, and register that. You can see email already exists. The user not make two more in Gmail. Okay, add the all security features. If users are already on email in our login, you can see I in a local host I refreshed. You can see this email is already exist in my database, and the sign up is tell me the email already exists. You can not make through this Gmail to second account. Okay, and how I am signing that for my first Gmail. You can see Hackway, and I am enter that, and you can enter that the password and login, and you can see the account is login. You are login. Hackway, welcome to my website linklingo.com, and also I am at the logout button in our right side. Okay, you can see that I zoom, and you can see the logout button. You can see that I click that logout button and log out my web. Okay, this is a simple code, and you can go my repository. You can search that Hackway, and you can see my channel and my Hackway repository there, and click on my Hackway repository, and you can see my Hackway repository, and scroll that. Also I am created the song player, and already I make videos on this of all this code, and click on repository, and you can see sign in and sign up project. Okay, and you can click that, and you can see the all information I'm giving you, and the installation and features. You can also add your website. Okay, and about this my project. Welcome to the project sign in and sign up repository. This project is a web application built using PHP and MySQL for user registration and authentication. Okay, you can understand that, and also I am you can contribute that, and contributing are welcome. If you finding any issues or suggestion for improvement, please open I succeed for submit pull-up request. Also giving also comment out for suggestion and improvement. Okay, and thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Hackway for more videos like this, and see you soon next time. Bye bye.